Dear students, many of you consider math as a tough and boring subject. It is because the nature of math is different from other subjects. Its nature is analytical. If your thinking is logical and based on facts, you may be better in this subject. Here, 5 facts are being discussed. The last one is very important, which would certainly boost your performance in this subject. If you are preparing for board, college, university exam, or other competitive exams like SSC, banking, railway, B.Ed, etc., these techniques would help you a lot to score high marks. Let us start. First fact is that math is an interlinked subject. It means that its one topic is related to another topic. You cannot avoid the basic topic, so you must have sound knowledge of each topic. The second important fact is that while studying math, never try to skip or jump. Follow the step by step rule. First, try to understand the easy portion. After having good command over it, then proceed ahead. Don't be nervous while solving the harder problem. Try to solve it with pen and paper. The third fact is that math is based on theorem and formula. First, try to understand the theorem. Remember the main step of each theorem. Follow the sketch and diagram properly to understand it. Write down the results of each theorem and formula separately. Revise them in the meantime. This would create confidence in you and help you to solve the harder problem. The fourth fact is that math can never be learned by rote. Be always analytical to the question. Try to solve the problem in your own language and method. This would remove your tension in this subject. The fifth important fact is that revision and practice are very essential in mathematics. Underline the main points, formula and result, etc. Revise in the meantime to have a good command over them. Try to understand the basic root of theirs. Remember the main steps. Try to recall them, follow the syllabus and important topics. It is unnecessary to solve one type of question so many. Take help of pen and paper in solving harder problems. These are the some basic rules to get good command over mathematics. These would help you a lot to improve your performance in mathematics and score high marks, and your chance of success would be higher. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks.